Revolutionizing wellness, the Apple Watch Series 9. Yes guys, today's video is about that. I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started, unveiling the Apple Watch Series 9, a pinnacle of innovation that transcends the ordinary smartwatch. This health-centric marvel has garnered a stellar 4.6-star rating from 1,122 reviews on Amazon till now, setting expectations high for its return. Innovative technology at your fingertips, powered by the advanced S9 chip, the Series 9 introduces a bright display and a touchless interaction experience, redefining convenience. Redesigned apps and watchOS provide quick insights, offering a seamless blend of form and function. Eco-friendly fashion, opt for the aluminum Series 9 with the Sport Loop, and you not only embrace cutting-edge technology but contribute to a carbon-neutral design. Apple's commitment to the environment is woven into the fabric of this sleek timepiece. Your personal health monitor. Experience a comprehensive health suite with features like blood oxygen monitoring, ECG capabilities, irregular heart rhythm notifications, and insights into your sleep stages and emotional resilience. The Series 9 is not just a watch, it's a wellness companion. Fitness excellence. Empower your fitness journey with the Workout app, offering diverse training options and advanced metrics. As a bonus, enjoy 3 months of Apple Fitness for free, ensuring your workouts are as dynamic as your lifestyle. Safety redefined, equipped with fall detection, crash detection, and emergency SOS, the Series 9 prioritizes your safety, connecting you with emergency services when you need it most. Seamless connectivity. Enjoy a harmonious relationship with your Apple ecosystem. The Series 9 effortlessly integrates with your devices, unlocking your Mac, offering precise distance and directions to your iPhone, facilitating transactions with Apple Pay, and more. Customizable and durable. Tailor your Series 9 to reflect your style with a range of customizable watch bands and faces. Beyond aesthetics, this smartwatch is built to withstand the demands of life, crack-resistant, dust-resistant, and swim-proof with 50 water resistance. Stay connected, anytime, anywhere, whether sending texts, taking calls, or enjoying your favorite music, the Series 9 keeps you connected on the go, ensuring you're always in the loop. Legal disclaimers. This overview provides a glimpse of the Apple Watch Series 9. For a detailed understanding, please refer to the official documentation. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.